Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and sound. Students, open your grammar today book. Students, open your page number 32. Students, today we are going to learn about pronouns. Words that take the place of nouns in the sentences are called pronouns. For example, he, she, it, they, we, you, and I are pronouns. Students, now you know that he, she, it, they, we, you, and I are pronouns. Let's do the given activity. Activity A. Circle the pronouns. Number 1. Rabia is going home. She lives in Defense Colony. Students, as you know, we use pronoun in the place of noun. So, in this sentence, Rabia is a noun and the word which is used in the place of Rabia is she. So, you can say that in this sentence, she is a pronoun. Let's circle it. The next one is Karachi is a big city. It was the capital of Pakistan. Students, in this sentence, Karachi is a noun and it is used in the place of Karachi. So, you can say that it is a pronoun. Let's circle it. The third one is the name of my pet cat is Mano. She is 3 years old. Students, in this sentence, cat is a noun and she is a pronoun. Let's circle it. Students, now look at the fourth one. Meera and Rima are sisters. They live in Lahore. Students, as you can see that in this sentence, Meera and Rima both are nouns. So, in the place of nouns, they is used. So, in this sentence, they is pronoun. Now you will circle it like this. The fifth one is Roha is a smart girl. She speaks very well. Students, in this sentence, she is a pronoun. So, you will circle it like this. Number 6. Ali is a kind boy. He feeds the birds. Students, now you will tell me which word is pronoun in this sentence. Yes, he is a pronoun. Now you will circle it like this. Now look at the next one. Hamid reads a lot. He wears big glasses. Yes, students, he is a pronoun. Now you will circle it like this. Now we will move towards the next one. Asma and I are best friends. We go to school together. Students, in this sentence, Asma is noun and I is used for myself. So you can say that Asma and I are nouns. In the place of noun, we is used. So in this sentence, you will circle we like this. The next sentence is my uncles live in Islamabad. They are teachers. Students, which word is pronoun here? Is Islamabad? No. Is they? Yes, they is a pronoun. Now you will circle it like this. Now look at the next sentence. Ali and Aslam are neighbors. They play together. Yes, I know you can guess it easily. Yes, they is a pronoun in this sentence. Now circle it like this. Next sentence is Vanya and I are cousins. We live in Karachi. Students, as we have learned that we is a pronoun, so we will circle we here like this. Next sentence, my school is in Multan. It is a big school. Student, the word it is a pronoun here, so you will circle it like this. The secular sentence is the cow is sleeping. It is sleeping under a tree. Yes, student, it is a pronoun here, so you will circle it. The last sentence, Mr. Umar is a postman. He is knocking at the door. Students, as you know, he is used in the place of noun. So you can say that he is a pronoun. So circle it like this. Students, now it's your turn to practice this page on your books. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.